ALTAIR. We're here with day 2 of Rapid, and I'm with David Coates from ALTAIR Engineering Incorporated. So thanks for stopping by today and talking with us.
Oh, no problem.
So can you tell me a little bit about what ALTAIR Engineering does?
Sure. So ALTAIR is a software development company. We have on-premise and cloud solutions focused around simulation-driven design, high-performance computing, IoT, and data analytics, stuff like machine learning and artificial intelligence. We have kind of two business groups. One is the software side of the business, and the other is the services side, and I'm part of the services group.
Okay.
And our services team executes advanced projects like we're doing with America Makes, and we also execute technology. We call them technology transfer projects. So we kind of ramp up our customers not only with the software technology, but the methodologies that come along with that to better design their products, basically optimize their products.
So, and how does that relate, the tools that you have, how does that relate to additive?
So we have a software called Inspire. It has the full design for additive manufacturing workflow in it. There's a mechanism design where you can help define loads and boundary conditions for a component, develop the package space, run topology optimization, and we have other optimization technologies like size, shape, and gauge optimization. But there's an additive module that also supports the part orientation, the build support, and the build simulation process. So we can simulate the laser powder bed fusion process, and evaluate certain quality metrics to minimize trial prints is the biggest benefit for it, and improve the quality of the part.
Yes, no, that's definitely needed because some parts take multiple builds, and this will help eliminate that.
Yep, exactly.
The number of builds. That's great. So, how does the automation of the software help the design engineer?
So we have some new features coming out in Inspire, and one of them is focusing around interpreting the topology results.
Okay.
Before it was kind of a manual polynerb process. Now we have one-click done type technology. I mean, you still have to go in there and tweak some of the local surfaces and whatnot, but it's a lot more streamlined. We have optimization features around optimizing the orientation of the part. So say you want to minimize support structure volume or minimize Z height, and there's a couple different options in there, to kind of explore a little bit in terms of what orientation makes the most sense. And then we also have some improvements around the simulation time. So all focused around reducing those number of trial prints. Right? You want to run all these what-if statements, and you don't want to let it run overnight to get the answers. You want the answers now, right? So lots of improvements coming down the line.
That's great. What about? Can you tell me a little bit about some of the America Makes projects that you're working on and related to your software?
Yeah. So we've had probably 2 or 3 projects running through America Makes now with our government customers. They all been focused around coupling our optimization technologies with additive manufacturing, focused on lightweighting. So, taking mass out of parts. So. I don't know if you know, but in the military, especially in ground vehicles, weight is a huge concern.
Absolutely.
So they're seeing, optimization technologies coupled with additive as a means of getting the mass out of the vehicle and increasing payload, right? So there's a benefit there for the soldier, and they're definitely trying to capitalize on it.
Yes. And I also understand you're going to be, in the near term, announcing some training that you're going to offer?
Yep. So we're going to be offering some free training to America Makes members as part of the next project. And, we're also developing documentation that kind of goes through the step-by-step process of how you design a part for additive, mainly laser powder bed and binder sinter. But it'll be a good tool to, you couple that understanding of the methods and the software technology, you have the tools to do it yourself.
Sure. So America Makes members, be on the lookout for the announcement of the training here in the upcoming weeks, correct?
Good.
Yes.
Yep.
Yeah.
Excellent.
I really appreciate your time, and I hope you're enjoying the show and you enjoy the next day of the show.
Definitely. Thank you.
Yeah,
Thank you very
thanks.
much.
Thanks for your time.
See you, everybody.